What if I told you the way you see yourself right now is shaping everything you experience? That your health, your confidence, your ability to manifest your desires is all being filtered through the image your subconscious holds of you. Most people go their whole lives trying to change the outside, diet, money, relationships, without ever realizing the true change begins in the mirror. Not just the physical one, but the mirror of the mind. There is a technique, simple, quiet, and shockingly powerful, that helps you see yourself clearly, rebuild your self-image, and take control of your inner world. It's called the mirror exercise, and it comes from the pages of You the Healer, a book by Jose Silva. This isn't about ego. This isn't about vanity. This is a mental discipline, an inner technology that sharpens your visualization power and reshapes who you believe yourself to be. If you've ever tried to visualize but struggled to create a clear picture, if you felt disconnected from the way you appear, or unsure how to imagine yourself achieving something meaningful, this exercise is your entry point. It doesn't require deep meditation or years of training. It only requires a mirror and your willingness to see yourself with attention, accuracy, and love. Here's how it works. First, stand in front of a mirror, but this time, really look. Don't glance. Don't criticize. Don't judge. Observe, see the curve of your nose, the distance between your eyes, the way the light hits your skin. Study your reflection, like an artist, preparing to paint it. This is your raw material. This is the real-time image of the self you're about to recreate in your mind. Now, close your eyes, inhale slowly, and begin to visualize yourself exactly as you saw. Reconstruct your posture, your clothing, your facial expression. How accurate is it? For most people, the first attempt is fuzzy. The edges blur. The image fades. That's okay. That's part of the practice. Your brain is relearning how to see internally on purpose. After 30 seconds, open your eyes. Look back into the mirror. Compare your mental image with your physical one. Where were you off? Was your head tilted more than you imagined? Were your lips more neutral than smiling? Take note of these mismatches, not as flaws, but as feedback. This is a visual workout. You're strengthening neural connections. Now repeat. Close your eyes again and adjust the mental image. Bring the visualization closer to what you truly look like. Hold it. Let it become clearer. Feel it lock in. Then open your eyes again and compare. Go back and forth like this for 5 minutes. You'll be amazed how quickly your accuracy improves, and with it, your ability to hold any image in your mind with precision. Why does this matter? Because when you master the ability to visualize yourself with crystal clarity, you unlock the power to transform that image. Jose Silva believed that the way you see yourself internally becomes a set of instructions for your subconscious mind. When you change the internal blueprint, your behaviors, habits, and even your body begin to change. So once you can clearly picture your current self, take it further. Make small, intentional changes. Straighten your posture. Add a warm, confident smile. Picture your skin glowing. Visualize your eyes full of focus and purpose. Imagine standing taller, radiating peace, strength, and vitality. You're not fantasizing, you're programming. You can go deeper still. After mastering the external image, begin visualizing your internal state. Imagine yourself feeling calm, clear, energized. See a golden light traveling through your body, healing cells, strengthening muscles, calming your mind. This isn't wishful thinking, it's mental rehearsal. And your body responds to mental rehearsal as if it's real. Elite athletes do this before competition. Surgeons do it before delicate operations. Performers do it before walking on stage. But you're using it to step fully into the most powerful version of yourself. And the mirror, that's your training ground, your feedback loop, your reality check, and your canvas. Start with 5 minutes a day, morning or evening. Look, visualize, adjust, repeat. Over time, not only will you sharpen your ability to visualize, You'll notice your real-world self beginning to reflect your imagined self. You'll carry yourself with more confidence. You'll notice shifts in how others see you. And most importantly, you'll feel more connected to you. This isn't just a technique, it's a transformation tool. A daily mirror check-in that rewires your mind, upgrades your self-image, and aligns you with the identity of someone who creates change instead of waiting for it. So tonight, give yourself 5 quiet minutes. Stand in front of the mirror. Observe without judgment. Then, close your eyes and see what's always been there. Someone worth visualizing. Someone worth becoming. The clearer you see it inside, the faster it becomes real outside. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to reconnect with themselves. This isn't just about seeing clearly, it's about being clearly you are the image and the creator of that image. Let the transformation begin. And let me share something truly life-changing with you. Did you know that practicing daily affirmations and gratitude can boost your happiness by 30% and significantly reduce stress? Here's the catch. Most people know this, but few take action. That's why I've created the Positive Affirmations ebook bundle, your ultimate tool to transform your mindset and manifest your dreams. For a limited time, the first 25 people can grab this powerful bundle for just $12.99. Inside, you'll get the Affirmations ebook, guided journals, daily prompts, and proven techniques carefully designed to help you cultivate self-love, gratitude, and mindfulness while staying laser-focused on your goals. Here's the real kicker. Research shows that small, consistent habits, like writing affirmations, can rewire your brain in as little as 30 days. Imagine how much your life could change if you committed just a few minutes a day to this bundle. Prefer to start small? You can get the ebook alone for just $4.99. Whether you're new to personal growth or ready to level up, this bundle will deliver real results. Don't wait. This special offer is only available to the first 25 people. Check out the link in the description and grab your copy now. Start today because your best self is waiting. All right, let's dive back into the topic.